Here in San Antonio, we know that food insecurity is a real need for people, in particular the senior population. So we're out here working in the food bank, supporting the needs of the community, showing up with kindness and care to say every single person matters.
So much of the work of the San Antonio Food Bank is to help to move people forward, right? Meet their needs today, bring household stabilization for tomorrow. It's such an incredible privilege to represent an organization that's doing so much good, and it engages so many people from volunteers to the neighbors we serve. I'm humbled because the gratitude that they're sharing with me really needs to be shared with those that support us, those that help us make things happen. And when I think of those that make things happen, I can't help but think of the Humana Foundation.
My name is Roberto Font. I'm 62 years old, a single grandfather of 6. The food bank for me is tremendous. I know that I can call on them if I need food. They never turn me away. They always, they arrange for me to be able to come and pick it up. They don't just help me, they help those kids. Since they know there's 6 kids, they give me plenty. They don't just give me a little bit. When they give me vegetables, they give me boxes.
The Humana Foundation and Humana have collaboratively done some really amazing things in Texas, and specifically in San Antonio, and specifically for the food bank. We've been able to support them from a volunteer perspective and also from a financial perspective, but most importantly with the goal of trying to provide equitable distribution of food and help for those who have social risk factors, which is a very meaningful part of being healthy.
When times are challenging, when things are chaotic or different or unique, the things that hold people together are their families. The things that hold people together are their communities. And we do the work of holding families and communities together.
In partnership with the Humana Foundation, we've been able to go after those incredibly vulnerable people that are trying to stretch what other income they have to pay their bills and still have money left over for food, and there just isn't. And so when we can have an intervention that can give them physical food on a regular basis, along with helping them navigate those public assistance programs, having someone they can talk to is critical. Partnering with the Humana Foundation to really impact their well-being, their social isolation, their physical and mental health has been a privilege, and it's changed lives.